All right, y'all. On the menu today, we're gonna be having chicken parm. Something quick, easy, affordable. I think the cost for this less than $10. So this is gonna be a budget-friendly, affordable meal for less than $10. So I'm actually making a pumpkin bundt cake that I'm gonna show you guys at the end if it comes out right. So let's do this. Come on. I am rinsing my chicken. You do what you do in your house, but I rinse my chicken over here. Plenty of bleach, plenty of Clorox to clean this thing. So you do you, but I use garlic, onion powder, smoked paprika, salt and pepper. And y'all know I like my herb de Provence on my chicken. I don't know, it just makes it taste more flavorful. I don't know. So, okay. I kind of messed up. I used the last 2 eggs for my pumpkin bundt cake. So now I don't have a binder for my chicken breasts. So, yeah. But we're gonna figure this out. I thought I had more spaghetti than I have. It's fine. It's fine. It's pasta. It's going to work. I promise you. It's going to work. I use penne instead of spaghetti. Okay? For my sauce, a can of diced tomatoes with chilies, drained. A can of this Hunt's 4 cheese. Don't come for me. Don't come for my Hunt's. Salt, pepper, herb de Provence. I'm pretty sure I just burned the hairs off my arm. Little sugar, just a little bit of sugar. All this for a little bit of sugar. That's my little bit of sugar. Let's slice these in half. Ooh. Ah. Just gonna put a layer of sauce and then some cheese, and then we're gonna pop this in the oven.